As my grandma always say, it's better late than never. Yes, because my Christmas dinner is very, very late. But guess what? It's here. So just enjoy this video while I make my Christmas dinner for 2024. So I'm making roasted chicken with vegetables in one pan. I'm doing curried goat, fried chicken, rice and peas, chicken foot soup, and we're gonna top that off with our traditional Christmas drink, sorrel. I hope you like this video and remember to subscribe before you leave, and also come back next week because I will be putting up my 2024 turkey dinner sometime this week, my 2024 Thanksgiving turkey dinner. And you know that next week is Thanksgiving, so you're going to be getting them back to back because I'm already planning how to make my Thanksgiving dinner this year. So you come back for that, and Christmas is around the corner, so we're going to have a lot of videos coming in. So just keep watching. Have yourself a beautiful day, and remember to subscribe. Love you. Okay, so sorrel is ready and I'm mixing. Sorrel really takes a lot of sugar because it's very tiny, full of starch, so usually it takes a lot of sugar, but you have to mix to your taste. Merry Christmas to all my subscribers, all 52 of you. I hope I get 52 times 10 by the time I'm finished with this Christmas dinner. I'm drinking Jamaican sorrel that I just made. Hope you all are having a lot of food today. Love you all. See you in 2025 where everything is going to be bigger and better and greater. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love you.